Our video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called LostTrust. This ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that people store on the hard drives. Well, before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware called LostTrust has been injected into the system, and then the ransomware appends this extension called losttrustencoded. Well, the ransomware reveals the ransom note and indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay that ransom, you may just waste the money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website, combocleaner.com. The site is combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on this Start Scan button, and then after you do that, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. But first of all, the program might update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. And then at the end of the scan, Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the device. Based on the summary of the threats, some threats can be removed manually, but of course I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license, which is a much better solution. Premium license does not decrypt files. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. But it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. But still, Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and delete this particular ransomware from your system. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and then at the end of the scan you'll see the summary of threats. But premium license is a much better solution to make sure that your data is always protected. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.